So what I was working on here in the demolition of the bathroom, got rid of this old vanity that was here, got rid of the old toilet down there, and well, actually I'm keeping the toilet, so the toilet's over here in the bathtub. And then what I'm hoping to do is to redo these lines, the supply lines, hot and cold water, and then the waste line, and hopefully put them into the floor. That's just kind of terrible how they're out here, and it's just kind of an eyesore. So hopefully we can move those. And then what we're going to do, and I mentioned in the tour video, was I was going to try to take this and this old drywall and kind of give it a skim coat. But I think what we're going to do instead is on this back wall over here, and then the wall around the toilet and vanity, is we're going to put in wainscoting, and that should brighten it up in here and make it look a lot more, give it a more finished look. We'll redo the floor and put a rag into the toilet for now to prevent any kind of gases. And then yeah, I should be able to just pull that wall out there and be able to try to figure out the plumbing here, and then probably have to remove part of the floor to bring those lines up through the floor. I'm gonna hold on to the toilet because it's still in pretty good shape. And yeah, that'll be probably about it. So I think that's all for this one. Hopefully this was a little bit entertaining and maybe you learned something. I guess let me know if you have any questions or you have any advice, and I'll see you in the next one.